Hello, grade 5. Here is a very quick revision on division unit. First of all, you have to know that any division problem consists of three or four elements. For example, if you divide 45 by 5 and gives you 9, so the first number that you will divide is called dividend. The second number here is called divisor, and the answer is called quotient. The answer of division is called quotient. So, what is the divisor here? The divisor is the number that you will divide by. So, the divisor here is 5. Again, we have dividend and divisor divided by divisor gives me quotient. Sometimes we have remainder. What is the quotient here? The quotient in 480 dividing by 10, I mean the answer of division, gives you 48. 46 divided by 9 gives you 5 remainder 1. So we have dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Where is the dividend? The dividend is the number that you will divide. So it will be before the division sign, which is 46. We have here a multiplication problem. 53 times 6 gives you 318. Write a division problem that match the multiplication problem. So you can reverse the answer and divide the quotient by any number here. For example, I said 318, the quotient or the product, dividing by 6 gives you 53. And this number 1869 divided by 3, opposite operation, gives you 623. Write a calculation that you could do to check the problem. We cannot check the problem of multiplication with a division. If 46 times 5 gives you 230, then you can check this problem, write a division problem. 230 dividing by 5 and check, which gives you 46. But sometimes you have a remainder. In case of you have a remainder, then you have to multiply. How could you check a division problem? You have to multiply the divisor times the quotient. Here is, we have a dividend and divisor, quotient, remainder. You will multiply the quotient times the divisor. It will be 13 times 4. Then add the remainder plus 1. The final answer will be the dividend. Like that, you can check the calculation. In case of that you don't have any remainder, just multiply the divisor times the quotient. 15 times the 24 gives you 360. Here is the calculation that you can check the division problem. Write each answer as a mixed number. 47 divided by 6. You can answer this question by dividing first and get the remainder. How many 6 in 47? Count by 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. You will find that you have 7 and remainder from 42 to 47 you have remainder 5. Take the remainder over the divisor. It will be 7 and 5 over 6. Like that, you can convert it into a mixed number. Don't forget. In the second question, write your answer as a decimal. Then first you have to solve the problem with a remainder. Then mixed number. Then you have to complete and convert the fraction into decimal. How many 5s in 23? You will find the answer is 4 and the remainder is 3. Because if you count by 5, 5, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. Take the remainder over divisor. It will be 4 and 3 over 5. The last step is to convert the fraction into a decimal. 3 over 5, you need to convert the fraction into a decimal. 3 over 5, you need to convert the 5, the denominator, to be 10 or 100. You can multiply 5 by 2 and multiply 3 by 2. Multiply by 2 up and down, it will be 6 over 10. 3/5 equals 0.6. So if you have 4 and 3/5 will be 4.6. Here is you can divide 198 dividing by 11. Let's first write the multiples of 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, and after 99, it will be 101. I'm sorry, 110. Now let's divide it. 198 dividing by 11. Ask yourself how many 11s in 1. You will find how many 11 in 1? 0, remainder 1. How many 11 in 19? You will find that we have 1 and the remainder is 8. How many 11 in 88? It will be 8. Again, we will divide 198 dividing by 11. How many 11 in 1? 0 and the remainder is 1. How many 11 in 19? You will find just we have 1 11 and the remainder is 8. Write the remainder beside 8. How many 11 in 88? You will find the answer is 8. So the quotient here is 18. Don't forget that the difference between needed and full. A bakery has 553 cupcakes. Each box can hold 4 cupcakes. The question is now how many boxes are needed? You will divide 53 by 4. Ask yourself how many 4 and 5? You will find 1 and the remainder is 1. Put the remainder beside the 3 and ask yourself again how many 4 in 13? You will find 4, 8, 12, 3 and the remainder is 1. So 53 dividing by 4 gives you 13, remainder 1. But the question now asked about how many boxes are needed. So if I need to cover or to back 53 cupcakes, I will buy one more. So you will scratch the remainder or erase the remainder and add 1 to the whole number. So we need 14 boxes. The same question or nearby question has 58 passengers, each row has 4 seats. How many rows are fully occupied? There is a very big difference between how many filled or fully occupied and how many needed. We will divide also, starting the problem with division. 58 dividing by 4. How many 4 in 58? How many 4 in 5? 1, remainder 1. How many 4 in 18? 4, 8, 12, 16. You will find the 4 and the remainder 2. So we have here 14, remainder 2. But the question is now how many rows complete? How many rows are fully occupied? So you will remove the remainder and just keep the whole number. So we have 14 rows fully occupied. But if I asked you how many needed rows, you will Erase the remainder and add one more for the whole number. Don't forget. Circle the best estimate of the answer 72.34 dividing by 8.9. The estimate is to round each number before calculate. Don't forget. Then you have to round 72.34 to the nearest whole number and 8.91 to the nearest whole number. 72 to the nearest whole, I mean to the nearest unit. After 2 is 3, 3 is poor. So it will be just 72. Divided by 8.9, after 8 is 9. 9 is rich, so you will cancel the decimal and add 1 to 8. It will be 9. So 72 divided by 9 gives you 8, and this is the best estimate.